welcome back to my new video. So before I start this video, I want to thank Heromask for sending us this product to review it. And yeah guys, so if you're new here, then you're welcome. My name is Shauna, and so yeah, I'm a lifestyle, beauty and family content creator. And so yeah, when you're the first time here, then you're welcome. So let's go into the video. So guys, so now we're gonna, this is how the pack looks like. And so yeah, it's from 5 years to 12 years. And so yeah, it looks very nice. Yeah, so we're gonna open this. So this is where you open it. Okay. Okay, so here we have the code for the app. So guys, and then we have the manual here. And okay, so now the product. So I've already unboxed it in my German video, but I wanted to do it again in English for you guys. So yeah. Oh my gosh guys, I love this. You can just, I don't know.
Play with it. Play with it.
Yeah, I can just play with it. So yeah. And okay, so this thing fall. So guys, and then we have this thing to wipe this. So let me just wipe it a little bit. So to wipe the dust off. And yes, so this is how the product looks like. And yeah, it looks very nice. And so let's just peel this off. Guys, so satisfying. Okay, so we can put this here. Okay guys, it looks very, very shiny and nice. So yeah, so then let me now you need a phone because, wait guys, so here you can make the lens bigger or smaller here, and then here you can open it and put your phone inside. And so yeah, so now we need a phone. So I have here a phone, and then so then you go to, it's working for Android and for Apple phones. So then you go to App Store or Google Play Store, and yeah, then you go to search, and then I'm gonna put this here also so you can read it. So you have to write games dot adventure, I think. I'm not sure. Let me look. Games.adventure, yes, .com. So, and then you search it, and then you see it here, games, and so we have the mathematics and the languages. So today I'm gonna show you guys for the languages. So then you just install it. So I've already installed it. So yeah. So okay, that's how it looks like right now. Okay, it's making music. That's very nice. And so now we put this in here, and then yeah, and then we can put it on our head. Okay guys, so now we go, so it's in German, but now we go on play, and then we can, okay, so you can learn Chinese, German, Spanish, Italy, and English. So I want to learn French. So yeah, let's take fruits. So you can take animals. Number is food. Something to wear. Colors, yeah. Flags. Yeah, you can take so much things. Hello. Okay, so here, guys, there's a button, so you can always press. So fire button. So let's take fruits. Let's take this. Okay. Hi. Okay, here. Apple.
Pomme. Raisin. Poire. Raisin. Poire. Raisin. Pomme. Poire. Pomme. Pastèque. Raisin. Pastèque. Ananas.
Okay guys, so let's take menu. Okay, play. Fruits. Let's see what this is.
Citron.
Okay.
Fraise.
Okay. So we have to get the stars.
Citron. Fraise.
Okay.
Fraise.
Okay guys, this feels so good.
Citron. Fraise. Pomme. Raisin. Fraise. Raisin.
Okay guys, so I scored this. Okay, so I have a new score. So okay, we're over lava. So okay, so it's following me where I go. So oh, there's the moon. Hello moon. Okay, so okay, main menu.
Jaune.
What?
Jaune. Noir. Noir. Rose. Jaune. Jaune. Rose. Jaune. Orange. Noir. Orange. 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 Rose. Noir. Jaune. Rose. Violet.
Okay guys, so I don't know if you noticed, but like I'm sure you know the series Ladybug, and so there's also Cat Noir. So it's I think it's original France. So yeah, I think Noir. So they call Cat Noir cat and black. So okay guys, so we know this now. Let's play this again.
Marron. Violet. Marron. Violet. Orange. Orange. Marron. 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 Violet. Orange. Marron. Marron. Orange. Gris. Orange. Violet. Gris. Orange.
Okay guys. Wow. So let me take the phone back out. Okay guys, so that was very much fun. Okay, so I was like feeling like I'm really in the world of colors. So yeah, it was very cool. And yeah guys.
So guys, so this is a great product for children, and especially now that the season of Christmas is coming, so it's a great gift for your children, for your grandchildren. So when you want to buy it, we're going to put a link on our description box. You just click on it and it will take you to their Amazon shop. There you can buy it. Yeah. So it's a great gift for children while they learn, while they play. You know, they learn different languages: French, Italian, English, German, and Chinese.
Yeah.
While they play games. So it's a win-win thing. So it's fun. I've used it and I can tell you it's very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is it. And Shona is learning in French now with it. Yeah.
So guys, yeah, like my mom said, and we're gonna put the link down in the description box.
Yeah.
And yeah, so then you can also, when you want to buy it, then you can just click on the link, and then it
will take you to the Amazon shop. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can buy it there. So I enjoyed playing this, and I'm gonna play it also again. Yeah.
Yeah, as a game, or when you want to learn your French, or
yeah,
or you just want to play a game.
Yeah. So I think that's all with this video.
So that's the end of this video. So if you like this video, I should help you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, to our channel.
And then
click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos.
Yeah.
And yeah guys, so thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, then we see you guys next time. And so yeah, bye guys.
Bye.